do hope you can hear me. Not sure if the microphone is actually on. I'm sure you will let me know soon. Woo! Yes, woo, woo, woo. Why is no one here? Says Tom Chant. Apocalypse happened. No, luckily not.
Just Pumpkin.
You don't blame Pumpkin.
Yes, Pumpkin.
It wasn't Pumpkin. It was
running around.
faffing around with the mic.
Whoops.
Yes. For some reason, the comments are only coming through on my phone, which means I can't stick them. It's a bit annoying. You think I should refresh? I'm going to refresh. This might break the internet.
Okay.
I'm back, and the comments are back. Woo, that actually worked. Amazing. Okie dokie. Let's see. Who's here? Starling Garnet. Hello. Tyrone. Dave is here, looking for brains. I'm not sure you're going to find them here, but yeah. Brains. Dave Collison. What happened to Michael and Leanne? Yeah, and Pumpkin. I'm from the Apocalypse Zombie Division. Hi, everybody. Newly hired Marika. Woohoo.
Hey, congrats.
Yes, indeed. I think Wales has been disconnected from the internet. Crikey. Yeah, imagine that. August. Now, finally. Yes. Mine's out. Yes,
that's what Leanne said.
And Javier. And Alana is back. And Vladislav.
Hey.
So, as usual, we will ask you, if you are new, to put a bunny in the chat. And if you've been before, hit me with that tiger. Yeah, want to see who's a bunny and who's a tiger.
Put a bunny in the chat. Or a tiger.
Yes. Oh, meant to leave that on there. Yes. Let me know where you're coming at me from. Yeah. So, Michael. Yeah.
I just remembered what we were doing.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I kind of forgot about it.
This, in case you're wondering.
Boy, this is going to be hard.
Here it is. The latest in the weekly web dev challenge series.
Word.
Yes, it's a gradient generator. Oh, look at this. Lots of tigers and a bunny. Ooh. Another bunny, another tiger. A nice mix of bunnies and tigers.
Oh, wow. That's pretty nice. Well, welcome, everyone. Welcome to all the rabbits. And welcome back to all the tigers.
Yeah. Oh, new to chat. Not new to Scrimba.
Ah,
good.
nice.
That makes you a lion. Yes. Will this be available later? Yes. To refer. I'm not sure you'll want to refer to it, but you'll be able to.
Yeah.
If you want.
I think it's worth kind of pointing out that this is more of a session like we get a problem and we kind of solve it, well, right here and there. It's not like we're showing you how to do it. It's more like
let's manage expectations.
Yeah,
here.
if we show you how to do it, that's great. But it's mostly it's just two of us solving the problem as it would happen. Like, you know, if you just catch up in the office, someone will be solving a problem very similarly. So it's a very realistic process, to be honest.
And the problems come from here.
Yeah.
Scrimba.com is where you can learn to code, and the weekly web dev challenge is, as the name suggests, a challenge.
Yeah.
It's actually not weekly, but no, don't worry about that. It's a coding challenge. Yes. Anyway, today, well, the latest one is this.
You will definitely not see a very easy solution how to get from problem to solution straight away. There will be a lot of pain involved.
Guys, don't be modest. You're showing us what real people go through. That is true. Good to see a lot of bunny rabbits. Yeah. These are the ones that people have already submitted.
Wow.
Look at them. I know. So colourful.
That's nice.
Only dream of making something as beautiful as this, but we'll do our
Well,
best.
that's really impressive.
I agree. Yeah. I have made...
Quite frankly, I don't even quite know what a gradient is.
You don't know what a gradient is?
Not really.
What do you think it is? Oops. I'm trying to hide this stupid sidebar. Hide folders. That's what I want.
Right.
So this is the plan.
Wire up inputs. Surprise me button. Check for
There
contrast.
is.
Epic.
Pumpkin just banged something really loudly, so that's a bit
No, that was
worrying.
me.
Oh, it was you. Okay.
Yeah.
Wire up inputs. Hang on. And add values to gradients.
Right.
Surprise me button. Check for contrast.
Right. Okay. Well,
yeah.
that'll be easy. If I can do it without a button, what do you think?
Okay. So what we're doing is making
Flat. Fell flat. Okay.
we're making this, Michael. Look,
Right.
it takes the colors from the inputs
Yeah.
and it makes the gradient from them.
That looks like it's done.
Yeah, this is the solution.
Oh. I had a long week.
It's about to get a whole lot longer.
Well, yeah.
Okay. So
Ooh,
anyway,
it's going to be a long 50 minutes, that's for sure. Or an hour.
I make it 51. Okay, so first things first, we have to save a little note so we don't lose all our work, as has happened many times before.
Yeah.
And now,
Yeah.
so let's look at the HTML. We have color picker 1, which is this, and color picker 2, which is this.
Oh, okay. So we don't actually have to code color pickers. What? Yeah. Yeah. You want to tell me that color pickers, they're built-in HTML elements?
They are. Input type equals color will give you this bad boy.
That's amazing.
I know.
I always thought that for some reason people code them up like from scratch or something.
Yeah.
Well, they're imported through a library.
It's right there.
It's right there. It's HTML. Wow, nice.
Can you share your screen, please? Yes, that would be good. How long has it not been shared for?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Sorry about that.
Okay.
Anyway, it's
Well, we're
shared
seeing
now.
it now. Can you show people? Oh, you've shared the link for a weekly web challenge. Well, that's the most important thing. Like, you know roughly where we are, so you will see.
Yes.
There you go. See, so it's like we're not inspiring. Like, we know what we're doing.
No.
Which is good.
Okay, I might delete this. So anyway, we can get the values from those fairly easily because hopefully they've got an ID. Pick a 1 and pick a 2.
It's like proper at work, you know, someone's showing something and then you go, can you share your screen?
Const. Yeah, pick a 1, oops, not exclamation mark, equals this. Document dot element get ID.
Oh, kind of the usual, right? So you just like bring
Pick a
the HTML elements into JavaScript.
Copy this. There we go.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Cool.
All right then. I'll console log one of them because, well, you think if one of them works, they both work. What console is? Oh, console.log. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Can you just show me HTML once again?
I can.
Nope. Right. Pick a 1, pick a 2, labels, and then there is an input. And what's the range for it? Between 0 and 100. And what does that mean? Oh, value is like a default value, isn't it? When you load the page.
So it's in the middle.
It's on the middle.
Because that says 50. So if I move it to 90, it moves it like that.
Cool. Yeah.
Yes,
Got it.
Indeed.
Awesome.
Is back again.
Awesome. Okay.
Yes.
Well, then also let's get the input for what did you call it? Split. Why is it called split?
Because
It's
if I
some
now share
gradient CSS property.
this, which the stream may or may not have seen before, it should have done, but maybe I wasn't sharing. But anyway, the split is basically where one color begins to merge into the other one in the gradient. So if it's 50, it's halfway through.
Okay, so it's a gradient, one of the gradient properties. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I guess, we need to grab that too.
Yeah.
Split.
And we presumably display this gradient as a background image on where?
Well, that's the interesting thing. because in the challenge, my idea was to add it onto the container, basically.
Yeah.
But people have been really creative and done like the body, or some people, like this one's got the body and the container.
I see.
Anyway, I think we should stick to the container.
Okay, and where's the form?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay, so the form is class gradient. Okay.
And ID, I think.
Yeah, so let's just call gradient. Yeah.
Maybe I should call it form.
Nah, that's fine.
Let's not worry too much about naming things. Okay.
I mean, there's only one form, so calling it gradient is fine. Yeah, so we actually have 3 inputs, and we need to modify that gradient element to tell what it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. Okay, so what was the task again? Wire up the
Creating a
inputs.
gradient, and to do that, Css Gradient.
How do you actually do that?
Well, greppa tells me it's like this.
So
So I'm going to nick this.
Yeah.
CSS.
So presumably
I guess we'll just call it gradient. This class, because I think we'll add a class.
Yeah.
No, actually, we won't.
There is a class
Oh.
called gradient.
And we're not going to do that. That's stupid. Hang on.
Can you show me your HTML again?
I'm going to show you what a gradient would look like.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Let's do that.
we have this.
Okay.
So that's what that looks like. So the only ones that are actually essential are,
Colors.
I think, just colors, actually. Yeah.
And where's that split value?
The split value would be there. So if I change that to, 90.
90 and then 10.
But then you
10
can,
didn't really do much.
I think that would be if you put it on that one. Don't really know the deep ins and outs of how gradients work, but it's basically how much.
So when you make the last number of 50, what happens?
It's easier if we can see it with colors. So if we do like, it's how much of the whatever it is, let's say screen, it's taking up with that color, I think.
So if you make that at 50, what's going to happen?
Well, I think 50 would be the same on both of them because it's a percent.
50, 90.
Split value's got to be between its own pair of colors, says Dave.
Its own pair of colors.
Thomas. Really? So that was. Anyway, let's try it with just
I
the
think
colors
that's
for now.
yeah. Okay, so can you just click on the
Here you go.
I think the split goes on both colors, but it looks like
It can do. I don't think it has to. Well, I'm sure it doesn't have to. I don't think you need any of them.
uh,
I think we should build the gradient with just the colors and then do the split, Michael.
oh, I see. So if you have 0 on one color and 100 on the other, and then you can do. Oh, okay. So there we go. So I can see. Okay, so if you do that. Okay, I see. So split is basically where. So split is the value for the solid, like where the area for the solid color. So if the red is 50, that's where the solid color is. And then at 0.50, it will start merging into another. And if, so there you go. If I put both of them 50-50, then it's literally just orange or whatever this color, mustard, I don't know. This yellow goes into red. And if I make it at 75, so it means that the yellow goes solid until 75, and then this will be gradiented bit, and then the 49, or if I make that 50, and then the 50 is the solid red.
So between 50 and 75 is the merging gradient, basically.
I see. So if we have a value of split, we can't really do that, can we? So that value that we have over here, what are we actually controlling with it?
That's up to you, because we haven't built in the gradient yet, so we can decide what to do with it. But if you don't put a percentage in, then I guess it would just add the default, which probably is 50. We can check on W3 schools. Michael, stop
50,
fiddling
50.
with that slider. Get out of it.
Oh, I'm trying to understand I'm trying to understand the mission.
Great. You spend too long analyzing.
No, yeah, exactly. It's like
we need action, Michael.
Wow, what was that phrase? Like 10 minutes reading documentation saves you 3 hours debugging.
It doesn't.
Oh no, sorry. No, sorry, it's the other way around. 3 hours debugging saves you 10-minute reading documentation. That's your approach.
Okay, look, let's just get right. Is this ours? Yes.
Is this ours?
So
Yes.
this is what we're aiming for. Oh, but really this can go on here, right, as an example. It doesn't actually matter.
Okay.
So to build this, we're going to go over into the JS and then write a function. Function generate. And that is going to on gradient style dot background. Just background equals this. Okay.
So if you remove that CSS declaration.
I think I did. Well, it hasn't actually been added on anywhere, so yes. Okay, let's give that a go. That has not worked. How sad. I wonder why. Let's try with the CSS again. Gradient.
I think you need to. Oh yeah. Wait.
Huh. Yeah, so that's working.
Class.
Gradient dot style.
Yeah, you just added it to.
Yeah, I know. That is now getting the gradient from here. Okay,
Yeah.
so that works. It's just the JS that isn't cooperating.
So you are calling it on the load. Could it be? Where's your script then? Where's your script tag in HTML? Oh, it's at the bottom. Okay. Whoops. Yeah. Oosh.
Background image.
Background
Dave
image.
says.
Maybe.
I think you can just do background. Okay, let's see. Console.log.
It should. Yeah.
Okay.
It's been called.
So that
it just doesn't get
just
set.
this. Add style in JS.
Margaret.
Style.background color.
Oh, hang on.
The semicolon, says someone. Oh, I don't think it would. Oh. Yes.
Wow.
Well done.
Really?
Isa.
Wow.
I wonder why.
Really? Interesting.
Yes, that is interesting.
Oh, because it's probably appended straight to the Chrome DevTools. But then
Thank you.
it has. Oh well. Anyway, that's a good one. Nice. Didn't know that. Oh, it's always a semicolon. There you go.
Okay, so for the challenge, we use linear gradient, and that's something else. Well, this is linear gradient, but you can use the other one,
You
radial.
can use any gradient by the looks of it.
Yes.
I don't think Leanne cares.
Well, I love all gradients equally. So, yes. Wait.
Okay.
That is exciting. Okay. Add event listener on one color. Then it's going to work. We will do that. Because we want this to run whenever we change something. So, picker.
Yeah.
Add event listener. Change, I guess. Generate So now, how can I test this? Well, I guess I'll just have to grab the color as well and do that then.
Yeah, I think that's what you need to do.
I mean, really, this is what we need. Color one is picker1.value. Picker1 is not defined.
Yeah, you have an event listener added to it.
Okay, so
no,
actually,
it's okay. Oh yeah, you have.
So we do need to have them both, really.
Yeah. So now you just have. It's okay.
In here we can do const color1 equals picker1 dot. It always says node value, but I don't want node value. Anyway, console.log.
Let's console log and see what value you get.
This.
Okay, looks good to me.
And then this we can turn into a what do you call this?
String interpolation.
Yep. And then oh no, why are you opening emojis? Right. This.
Yeah.
Color1.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay, turn you off. Let's give that a go. Okay. It has worked.
Interesting. Why does it not update? Oh, because the value doesn't get updated. I see.
I think you can do it on click.
That's what I wanted.
No, because then it wouldn't change the value, would it? Because on the click, the value stays the same.
Can you actually see what events happen when you do that?
What do you mean?
I reckon you can. There must be some kind of like color change event or something like that. Let's just quickly Google. Was it HTML color picker events color change? And just type color change, and it should give.
This thing.
It should give something.
Here we go. The two events that can be used: input and change.
So you have. Hang on, what event are we listening to?
Oh no, that looks good then.
Yeah.
Input is fired on the input element every time the color changes. So I think.
So we need input.
If we do input, it's going to do it every time we.
Yeah, there we go. See?
Look at it go. Wait. Ghost emoji.
The docs.
In the chat.
The docs.
Yes. Listen for input. Says Dave.
Oh, nice.
And
there you go.
Chief Curry. Lacho says, you look sleepy. Are you fine?
Do I? Yeah, I'm all right. I haven't. Well, I probably look like I haven't been sleeping for a while, which could be the case. Yes.
It's not the case, but it could be. Honey Patel says, yay, indeed. Wait. Exciting. Okay, right.
It is exciting. Every time when I convince Leanne to read the documentation, we find something. It is just
this
honey on my heart.
Two. Michael, I read the documentation, okay.
That's true.
And it's two.
Color.
Now we
color
need
two.
this. Okay, we are.
Leanne, color 2 on line 11.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cooking on gas, people. Yes. How exciting is this?
Yeah, pretty good. Pretty good.
Very nice. Indeed. Yeah. Ooh, hello, Perry the tiger. Wait.
Hey.
Okay, let's carry on. Okay. So we've wired up these two inputs, but we need to do this.
The split, yeah.
Is there a cleaner way of doing this? Because when I'm adding all of these, I just think, is it really the best thing to do?
To be fair, not really, because you add different event listeners normally to different elements.
Split.
Right, there you are.
Okay. Split cannot access split before initialization.
I think you
because
call
we've
split
got-
twice.
Yeah. And then that should be split value. Okay. Oh, something's gone horribly wrong, Michael. Because now nothing's working. No.
I don't think you need percent at the end
We
of it.
do. Oh, yes.
Oh, just it's a string interpolation after the thing.
So,
Yeah.
this.
That should do it. There you
This. Looking good. Yay.
go. That's it. Nice.
We're not these exact colours, no. Can have this.
Yeah.
And this one.
Cool.
Lovely.
Okay.
Michael Jason Elite is back. Yay. Hey. Good vibes. Great news.
Cool. Oh yeah. Okay. So I suppose you should call that generate on line 11, because you want to,
11.
or 18. Yeah. So you do want to run that function on the as soon as the script loads, you want to generate some.
Yeah.
Yeah. Basic. Yeah. Fair enough.
I agree.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
So, task 1 ticked off. So now we want to add a surprise me button.
I think we should check for contrast because that's a little bit more defined.
It's a little bit more difficult.
Is it?
Oh, I reckon so.
Well, then let's get to it. Because surprise me
try
button
this
is a little
one.
bit ambiguous. I reckon it would take ages for us to actually do it.
Put a comma after color and split will work as expected. Okay. I see what you mean. Yeah.
Oh, so it's kind of for
So now
both.
that will be very
Yeah.
nice.
It's for both colors at the same time. So it does the maths behind you, like the correct split. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah, very good.
I think we should add a surprise me button. Basically, what we want to do is, what do we want to do?
Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
We need it to make a random. I mean,
There you go. It's already surprising.
instead of selecting, look, I'll show you one that someone's made.
Okay.
Look, so you can either select.
Oh, it generates
Or
random colors.
It does.
Okay. It sounds like surprise me what? Like it shows you a squirrel or something on the screen? Like what? Surprise me could be anything.
Yeah. Okay.
Like surprise me. Like surprise me by the button on Google.
It squirts water.
Yeah, exactly. It could be anything. Like
Yeah. Do we still have that surprise button?
I don't think so. I think it's been.
Oh, I do.
Oh yeah, I'm feeling like it.
I'm feeling doodly. Christopher Reeve's 69th birthday.
See, they've replaced it with showing you a doodle.
I'm feeling trendy.
Oh, maybe not.
No. I have not clicked this for years. Probably the last time I clicked this was before I knew you.
I'm feeling trendy. Petrol shortage.
I'm feeling playful. Yes.
Right.
No, you're not. I'm artistic. Oh, look at that. Rana and Krishna in the boats of love. Beautiful. That's the next weekly web dev challenge. Recreate this with CSS. Yep.
I reckon if you tweet that at Kevin Powell, he'll do it.
Yeah, probably would. Anyway, so surprise me button. Now you have an understanding
Okay,
of
yeah.
what we're trying to achieve
Yeah.
with the surprise me
Okay.
button. I mean, step 1, add a button, I would say.
Yeah. I have to admit, like, your JavaScript skills with that course has been really good.
Yes.
Yeah.
There's a
You-
nice plug there. I have recently been doing.
Wow. Yeah.
Well,
My
learn
CSS
JavaScript for free.
my CSS skills are not that good.
So,
Leanne's been making
Yeah, yeah.
huge progress. Well done.
nice. Cool.
Yeah.
Is there a way to see what the others have done and go through their code for learning?
Yes.
There is. It's right here. So when you submit a weekly web dev challenge,
Right.
now you can tweet it. Yes. Basically, if you sign up to the weekly web dev challenge, it really annoys me that you can't. Oh, you can. Really?
You can.
Okay. If you sign up here,
Yeah.
there you will find the challenges and the instructions of how to submit are in them. And then when you submit one, it gets added to this page and you can click them to go to people's code.
Yeah. Nice.
That's what you can do. Very nice indeed. It's working. Woo. How about a random split too? Yes. That sounds good. Oh, make a string contains 0 to F. Crikey. Oh, I've had an idea, Michael.
What?
Yes, I have had an idea. add the old random color.
I think it's lowercase.
Is it?
Yeah.
Random color dependency.
Honestly, I reckon that maintainer thinks it sees downloads and they come from the same domain. He's
All
like,
from
what
Wales.
What is this Scrimba? Why are they downloading this random color so much? No, it's just one person.
It generates a nice color, basically.
Nice.
Oh look, there are lots of clever one-liners for generating. Yeah. Anyway, let's not.
Oh, hang on, that's actually for generating random colors. Oh, hang on, no, but that's
No, that is what we want.
no. Well, it's not because that's why we download the library.
Well, I mean,
These
what
are truly
this does,
random colors. Well, not truly random,
No,
but
they're not. Yeah, they're the
random.
opposite of truly random. Yes.
What were we talking about?
How do you get it in? To the
Oh, you import it.
yeah. Okay, but I've forgotten how.
Oh,
In the JS, you got to do it up here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Import random color.
Yeah.
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 Like this.
It doesn't matter what you call it because there is export and whatever value is being exported. But that needs to be in quotation marks. Yeah.
Why has it stopped working?
What has stopped working?
The whole function. Anyone?
Okay, Leanne, that's
Viewer discretion is advised.
No, it isn't.
It is. I think it's the wrong scrim.
It's not.
Oh no, that's right. Actually, no. I actually don't know. Is generate being run? Game console login.
How can this happen, Michael? No.
Okay, it's not. So check your HTML. It's probably broken. Yes, because you haven't clicked the VFM finish the button.
So that stopped the script from running.
Yeah, because button tag isn't closed. So
Okay, we're back in business
yeah,
now.
panic. You see, that's what I mean. Like, finish one thing and then get on to the next one. Otherwise, you're like, if you jump, we'll never know what's up.
Can I get the link to that dependency? You sure can. Here it is. Random color. Make it simple for absolute beginners. We'll try. We will try. I use that random color dependency too.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
How to submit weekly challenge. Have I done that? Yes.
Yes, I think we did.
Instructions can be found in the challenges here.
Yeah. You finish the challenge and then it will tell you to tweet or drop it to Discord or whatever. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Random colors, Leanne.
Yes. So, button, first of all.
Have we actually finished the button?
No.
Again. BGN.
Gotta stick it to the man.
Yeah, I know.
I do.
Stick to the man called BGN.
Is it not rendering?
There's no text in it? Oh, because it's outside of a form. I think you want to move it into a form.
Why? I don't. Do I?
Well, yeah.
I don't really want it in the form. So what I will do is on the body, I guess we want flex direction column. Yes.
Magical.
Yes. Button margin 0. No, 0. 1M. Okay. We'll worry about styling the button later.
We won't.
Yeah. Narrator. They did not style the button later.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's that. Button, button. Okay.
Okay.
Function. surprise. Hey.
Yeah. What's the plan? What's the plan?
Plan.
Well, on click of a button, generate some random colors.
Yes.
Sounds good.
BTN. Click. Surprise me. Console.log.
Yeah. That's mine.
Yes, it is working. Wait. Yes, time to copy all of Leanne's code and submit. Or only if you're not worried about winning. Yes.
No, I think plagiarism is. I mean,
discouraged.
Yeah. I think it would be quite tricky to spot. Because, I mean, to be fair, it would be very easy to spot if it's exactly the same.
Well, you'd think, but who knows?
If you call it BTN, there you go. That's Leanne's mark.
I think we can basically copy this, which, make it work and then make it dry, yeah?
What do you do?
Copying this. Value. Random.
Oh, I see.
What is that? RTCI-CE candidate.
Don't know, some interface.
Anyway, that's not what we want. We want random color.
I love IntelliSense. It teaches you stuff.
Useless things that you will never ever use.
No, well, come on, dude. Like,
that's how I found out about CSS widows, which I'm still yet to use. No.
CSS widows?
It's something to do with typography or some such. Error unknown error. I think that's got to be this. Error unknown error. Yeah.
Scroll up.
Why?
Because you've commented it out.
What? It's still error unknown error.
Yeah, that's because it's now differently named now. So on line 1, it's yeah.
Okay, that is working.
Yeah. Awesome.
And it's actually working in here as well. We just need to copy this. Yeah?
Where?
Michael, do you know what's going on?
Yeah, I don't think you do.
I do.
Yeah, okay.
What do you mean? I
No,
do.
yeah, okay, got it.
Look.
No, I'm with you now. Yeah.
Just to prove this is actually doing it, let's comment out generate.
Yeah. That's okay, because generate is not defined and you're adding it to a listener. That's fine. Yeah, just click surprise me. It should work. Oh no, it shouldn't. Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So this is now grabbing 2 random colors from this random color dependency, which is this.
Can you?
And it's adding them to the gradients.
Ooh.
Yeah. But now, like Dave said, we want to make a random split, but that should be fairly easy. We just want math.floor, math.random.
Yeah. Multiplied by
100. Because it's up to 100%, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's working.
I have a feeling like there is a +1 somewhere.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, no. Because you're flooring. That's fine. It's not ceiling. You're flooring.
But so we could never get 100. We could get 0 to 99, which...
No, random number 1 can happen as well. It's from 0 to 1 inclusive, I think.
No, it isn't. It's up to 0.99999, I reckon.
Then you do need to +1.
But then we would never get 0, would we? I mean, I don't think it matters hugely. It's definitely generating random splits. Oh, I need 101. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. +1.
Oh, I thought you meant like adding 1 on afterwards. I think you did mean that, but anyway. Happy birthday. Whose birthday is it? Michael. Wow. It's Michael's birthday.
Oh, well, congrats.
Is there a birthday song? There's this.
That's amazing.
Not that. But that's the closest we have. think.
Is it? Oh, please don't play Happy Birthday to You song.
No, well, there isn't a
I'm not a
birthday
big fan
song.
of
You can
that
have this. Right?
Yeah, there you
Yes. Lovely. Happy
Hey.
birthday, Michael. Exciting. Oh, I just finished work now. Woo.
Oh, congrats! And it's Friday. Woo!
Set the element values to random numbers. Element values to random numbers and code generate at the end of the function.
And those inputs.
Yes, I know, Michael. I'm contemplating what Dave has told us. Oh. I mean, yes.
What?
Set
what's
the
an
element values to random numbers.
So element values to random numbers.
And call generate at the end of the function.
Viewer discretion is advised.
I think this is for now. Like, I don't think I'll follow, but we can look into this in a little bit. Can you now just very quickly? There's one thing that's.
Why are you grabbing me? What do I have to do? No.
That's okay.
Oh,
Oh no! I almost closed it.
This is a problem I have raised with Freud. Sometimes when you want to press this or this, you press this and accidentally click this, and then you lose work. So don't do that. Probably should be talking about it. Probably. Anyway, Michael.
One thing that's a little bit bugging me is that when you click surprise me,
it doesn't update this.
it doesn't update this. So can we then
update that.
override those color? Can you just say pick a dot value equals color 1? Will it work?
I think so. Picker dot value equals color 1.
Pick a 1.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Londonish pick a 1.
It's working!
Yeah, awesome. Oh wow, that was easier than I thought. Awesome.
But this is not dry. But you know, you can't have everything.
It's okay.
And
what does it call it? Oh, there is the opposite of dry. It's wet.
What is that?
Write everything twice.
Oh yeah. Oh boy. Okay. So now split and split again.
Split value.
Oh, crumbs. This?
From the line above.
This?
Yes.
Yeah. Surprise me. Oh, wow. This is the best thing ever. Look.
Is it better than sliced bread?
Sliced bread isn't that brilliant, but.
I don't know, I got that phrase, but yeah.
Wow. Amazing.
Wow.
This was Dave's idea. Pick a random value with random color. Oh, crumbs. Pick a two-dot value with random color. I think that's what we've done, no? Oh.
No. I see.
To make it dry, he means. So.
Yeah, basically extract it out of a function. Yeah.
What?
So.
No comprende, Michael.
So what he wants is you have this generate. So remove that and move this out. So these two functions are now equivalent. So you can just.
Michael, you've just deleted everything.
Yeah, I know. It's okay.
It's not.
It is.
It's awful.
And now you just have this.
Oh, see, Karuti is saying this isn't very good. We won't generate a function reset values. No.
So maybe you can just
So
do
if it
this.
works, don't touch it, Michael.
So that works with surprise me.
No, that's doing random.
No, it's doing the random. Anyway, I haven't thought of it, but fair enough. Let's just return all this.
Yes, let's.
Yeah, I think you can do it. I'll probably just have like values being passed into the function.
Everything.
Yeah, I don't know. It's all right.
Well, no, Michael, that's not what I meant. I basically just wrote the surprise me function. This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. I think I see. Do I? What about scope? I think
Let's not think about it.
I think what generate. So he wants the generate to be called here, probably instead. But anyway, what I'm more interested in.
Right.
Let's.
No, I think I get it. If the color one variables, if they were outside of that function,
yeah,
then we could just update them in surprise me.
Yeah, but then you are overriding them over here. Actually, if you call generate here, can you bring? What did Dave actually wrote? Where is it? Ah, there. So pick a value, random color, pick a value, random color, split value, yeah, and then you call generate. Because, I see, yeah, that kind of makes sense, because we are effectively assigning random colors. So just, I see, so you're basically assigning random colors to the values. Are you? I think you are. So when you click surprise me, sorry, I just went a little bit blank on this one, but so I think this should work. This should still work. Yeah. Yeah, because basically that's a quite clever catch. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're overriding pick a value. We're basically overriding input values over here, right? And then generate actually uses that pick a value to pick it to use this for colors. So that's actually very good point.
And this?
Yeah, we can then clean this up as well. Yeah, so basically we override HTML elements and generate already picks information from those elements. So yeah, very good point. There you are.
Wow.
Yeah.
Extremely nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Thank you, Dave. Amazing.
Nice.
Got it. Woo, yay. Yeah.
Oh.
More packet. Okay.
There you go. Yeah.
So now we have, I've already ticked it. Done the surprise me button.
Cool.
Check contrast. Yes. Oh, crumbs.
Oh, okay.
Color contrast checker.
I thought you said that it's going to be difficult.
Yeah.
And you're telling me that
it's a dependency that's not random color, so I have no idea how to use it.
Oh, it's the same. Like.
Yeah, but how? I don't. Okay. I mean, first thing,
Well, it tells you over there. So
add. Okay, not this. No. Hang on. Wait. So this.
Yeah.
Add module.
And then
this color.
You can copy and paste it.
Contrast checker.
Yeah.
Add. Okay. I have added it. And now?
And now you can import it the same way.
Okay, this. Ding, ding, ding. Oh.
Different name.
Yeah, I know, but what name?
Contrast checker.
Contrast.
Yeah, look.
No.
Leanne.
No.
Look. They literally tell you what to do.
We'll do it then. Wait, I'm listening. Oh, look.
There. So they say
Someone's sending stars. That's nice.
color contrast checker. Actually, yeah. Specific levels. So we have Okay.
That sounds good.
Oh, how do you? Oops. Sorry. I need to turn it on the. How do you call the mouse mat?
Yeah.
Really? I always call it carpet. I don't know why. So I think. And then. Yeah. So now, if I just very quickly. Console.log.
See. Oh. Empty brackets.
Empty. It's an empty object.
Okay.
Color contrast checker. I wonder if I just did something wrong. Did I spell it wrong? Color. Color. Okay. No you. Yeah. How odd. Color contrast checker. Maybe like, am I really reading this wrong?
But we haven't told it what to check. So I think that's why it can't do it.
I mean, should it really be just. Oh man. I'm looking for like export. Module exports. Color contrast checker. I actually don't think that was a thing. New color contrast checker.
But wouldn't you have to pass in what you want to check at some point? Because otherwise, what's it doing?
Oh, it is returning. Oh, I see. Yeah, sorry. Good point. I shouldn't have closed that. Anyway, so how do you use it? You've got color 1, color 2. CCC is. What does that mean? Is level A invalid contrast? Color 1, color 2. Check custom ratios. So what's a WCAG level?
Isn't that like the accessibility that's acceptable contrast?
Is level A.
So that would be, I guess, the best one.
Oh, Jesus.
I have an idea.
Contrast ratio can range from 1 to 21 over there in note 1. Okay. So so it basically says if it's good contrast if it's like
someone has done this. We should look at what they've done. Is that bad? I don't
well,
think
no,
that's
I
bad.
think it's alright.
This? Maybe it's this one. Generate random? No, not this one. Maybe this?
No.
Not this one.
Okay. Should be some.
I know there is. I remember seeing it. I don't think it's this. Oh man.
Gradient.
No, it's this one. Mancy.
How can you tell?
Well, because if the contrast is bad, then it's not that one.
Oh, right. Oh, I see.
Did I check Uma? I feel like I did check this one. No, look. It's switching.
No.
Well, there it's
Some of it.
white. And there it's black. So something's happening.
Okay.
Oh boy. Random color, random gradient. Function set contrast.
Yeah, I don't think it's checked brightness, text color. Oh, it's basically just checked against, there you go, on line 45. So it's against, checked against brightness.
What does that mean then? Const text color, right?
Yeah, so
If brightness is more than 125,
yeah,
then you
the
change the
letter
text color. Oh,
to
right,
black.
to black. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's all about accessibility, says Dave. Contrast between the two colors. It's definitely not easy to check the contrast. Yeah, because the top might be dark and the bottom might be light. Ah, are you checking text to background or testing the two shades against each other? What we want to do is check the text on the background. But as Dave has pointed out, that's pretty tricky because you might end up with one dark color and one light color.
So really your text needs to be individually against whatever is in the back. Wow, that actually sounds pretty hard.
That's pretty hard.
That actually sounds pretty hard because you have to take split into account.
Yeah.
So you have to know where it splits, check the color based on the split value. I mean, I think it's doable. I think it's doable.
Oh God. Okay,
No, I think it's doable.
Over to you.
Cool. Let's just read that library. Accessibility checker tool is validating the color contrast between. Okay. Based on that standard. Okay, that's good. Formula L1 and L2 for contrast is based on some ISO and ANSI standards. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to read them. Supports shorthand color codes. Oh, nice. So, usage. I get. I wish I knew what is AAAA level is, because I do not know what that is. So let's go and have a look at the source code. Is level A. There we go. AA. Ooh, there is level AAA. Oh no, no comments. Ooh. Oh, okay. So it's result WCGAA, and it looks like it checks. Okay, so this function checks color and font size.
Because for bigger fonts, you're allowed to have lower contrast.
Oh, okay, so it's going to be checking a color of the text. Okay, but color A is what? Color of the background, color of text. So look at this example.
It's a method on the color contrast checker library.
So check custom ratios. I have no idea what custom ratio is. Color A, color B. Does it matter if you flip the colors? Like, for example,
yeah, it
what's
can
a
make
zero?
a difference. That's black and FFF is white.
Okay. So let's double
I
check.
think it makes a difference.
Contrast checker. So contrast checker web.
No, this one's rubbish. Go back. That one there's a good one.
The third one. Coolers.
Yes.
Okay. So 0000 FFF F. Okay, I can just do a shorthand, right? Such a noob. Okay, cool.
He puts it in anyway.
Okay, that's super. FFF 00. It doesn't matter.
Well, not for those two. I don't know. About
Okay, not for those
colours.
two. Okay, what about red
Oh, crumbs.
and green?
Yeah, ouch. Michael, I don't think we should have that on the screen for long. It's going to give people a migraine.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
Okay, if I check the green against a red, that is kind of equally bad.
My brain agrees with you.
Okay.
Michael, Dave has an interesting workaround.
So I think it doesn't matter what color it is, which color you provide first.
Okay.
So we can just do that.
Okay.
What's the workaround?
he just overlaid the gradient with a semi-opaque white layer, so it was never
Semi-opaque white layer. So it's never. Yeah, but that's cheating.
Yeah,
Is
but we do that quite a lot. So, okay, you reckon you can crack it?
maybe. I don't know. But yeah, we could give it a go.
They can be in either order. The contrast is the same.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
That's good then.
Color 1, color 2. What's the text size though? Let's just say 12.
I don't think it's 12. I think it's like 16. But for the sake of making the function work, I don't think it matters
Let's
hugely.
say 16.
I don't think it would make any difference between 12 and 16 either. It's like if you have massive fonts, it makes a difference.
So in that case, is level AA is just. Sorry. That's okay. That's not ours. That's not ours. So in that case, let's just console log this value. Does it return anything? It's false.
What? What's false?
So
that means it's not good enough.
No, it's not good enough.
Which? Well,
but that's not
look.
Leanne. These are against each other. They're not. They're against each other.
What do you mean? Like you can click this.
We're comparing color 1 and color 2. They're from color pickers. They're against each other.
Okay.
Yeah.
So really, we just need to put in black for one of them because the font is.
Well, yeah, I guess.
Uh,
I think you have to do hash values. Is it FFF or 000?
000.
True.
Okay, yeah, but now we can find out if it actually is okay with this. Why is it not doing it? Okay.
Oh.
Okay, well, yeah, no, just
It's okay.
cut
Yeah,
that.
it says yes.
We'll trust it. So anyway, now we could test it with this.
It's false.
False. Yeah, so if this text was white,
Yeah.
it probably wouldn't be enough contrast, which sounds legit to me. So now what we need is a conditional, Michael. And if it comes out with false, we switch it to the other color, I reckon. Can you just do it? Because
Yeah, because you need to wrap up, I know.
well, no, I want to make some progress. And then okay.
Yeah. There is a conditional.
The inspector can't check contrast of text against a gradient. Oh, I see.
Yeah, so if Chrome Inspector doesn't do it, then it's probably not as easy as I think.
That's good to know why it wasn't working.
But anyway, we kind of found. I suppose the next step would be to actually grab text color, so it's more dynamic. Grab text color, grab the size of it.
Well, let's do one thing at a time, Michael.
But it's already it's already 6 past. So let's.
Well, we've come this far.
Yeah, but what's the point of this conditional? What is it meant to do?
If this is false, then
Right.
it's going to switch the label color to white.
So
Otherwise, do nothing.
if this is false,
Mm-hmm.
you want to switch what text color?
I think what you could do is grab the body and then change. You don't want it on the button, but I don't think the button is going to inherit it. Or you can do form because we've already grabbed form. So yeah, gradient dot style dot color equals.
Is it font color?
No, it should be, but it's not. CSS legacy.
I see.
FFF. Yes. Okay.
Wow.
Ew. Why not just give the text a bright
If.
background color and a little padding? It's not cheating if it works. That is another good workaround.
Ooh, actually, I can. So.
But we are going to have to grab the text color because now it's going to remain white, isn't it?
Yeah. But
it's always comparing it against black, which we don't want.
Oh, it doesn't like that. Because.
I think you would need to save that in a variable, right?
No, I think it's. I wonder what the value is. I don't think it's a hex value.
Oh.
Yeah, it's empty. Gradient style color. It's empty. Oh no.
It's an RGB.
It's now an RGB. Yeah, so you need to somehow convert it into hex. Yeah.
Which is possible.
Yeah.
But it's going to take a while. There's actually, James Quick has done how to do that, but it took about 3 scrims, so I don't think we should attempt it.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that hard?
Use an else clause for white. I mean black. That's what I was planning to do, says Michael Ali.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. But else. Oh, maybe that actually would work.
Actually, it could be, yeah.
But we're still going to be comparing.
Against white.
This is going to be comparing against black. And if we've
No.
already changed it to white, then it's making the wrong comparison, isn't it?
I mean, this kind of looks okay. But you are right that sometimes it does provide. Sometimes the contrast is awkward. So you really have to compare it against the text color that you already have.
But to do that, we'd have to convert it into.
Yeah.
Let's grab. Hang on, JS. Font. Right, JS. Grab. Okay. Text color as hex. I mean, really, I just need to convert it. Yeah. Convert. Text color to hex. Oh, wait, no. RGB. Hang on.
Oh, well, you have to write your own custom function.
That looks like a regex.
Anyway, yeah.
Oh, no, it's this.
Yeah, yeah, you have it with regex. You write your own function.
Well,
and
why
stuff.
can't we just copy this then?
I see. Leanne, this looks like an awful hack, and I'm telling you, we would need to read docs. I can guarantee there must be some.
We can't do this because we would need to read docs.
Yeah.
That's our blocker.
Well, you're just too impatient for this.
It's working already. Thank you, Dave, for that
it's
get out
good.
clause.
It's good.
Yes, brilliant.
Cool.
Yeah. So that is that. Thank you to all of you who have stuck around. And next week, I'm saying this, I don't think I've actually scheduled them yet. Oh, next week we will be calling.
Oh, wow, pizza. We're having pizza tomorrow.
Are we?
Yeah.
Oh, crikey.
Yeah.
Well, next week we'll be calling an API on this stream. So join us 5 o'clock next week. Yeah.
Nice.
It is true. And you may be interested to know, I have my very own YouTube channel. Yes, haven't uploaded for a couple of weeks because I recorded a video and then realized that what I'd done was utter rubbish. So I tried to re-record it, but I can't figure out how to do it properly. So now I have to record a whole new video. But yeah, usually I upload.
Sounds painful.
I think it's kind of pretty cool. Already, yes. Next week, can you provide pizza? I mean, in a way, yeah. On the screen. Yeah.
I mean, we can probably order pizza.
Need to eat more code. That would lead to a messy keyboard. Thank you for the thumbs up. No, I want pizza. I don't know yet how to call an API, but we're ready to watch.
Oh, nice. Cool.
What
Yeah, we'll
we
definitely do that.
To hear. Well, have a wonderful weekend, everyone, and I will see you next week.
Oh, yeah. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
I think subscribe is here. Like is there. There?
The one you're pointing at now is subscribe.
Ah,
That one's like.
no, it's
I'm
with
sure
delay
they
there.
know where the buttons
Yeah,
are.
no, it's with a delay. There. That's,
Michael,
that's the like.
they know where the buttons are.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah. You can see the buttons. I can't see the buttons.
Thank you all for coming.
See you later,
See
everyone.
you all soon.
There we are.